I'm Eli, welcome back to Half Feral. Since I just finished my tiny house, I'm Eli, welcome to Half Feral. I just finished my tiny house, and I've been looking for a project to do and a good hobby to get into that I use all throughout my life. I decided to do some welding. I'm just learning, and if you guys are learning, these videos will be for you because I do not know what I'm doing, and we all just learn together, I guess. So, let's get into the video! So the welder that I got is a Chicago Electric MIG welder that's from Harbor Freight, and it's a very basic welder for semi-amateur professionals like me and probably some of you guys. It's very cheap, and the retail price today is $130. The welder is so easy. There's only like about two settings. One is the heat, which is minimum and max, and then the wire speed, which is just a dial that goes from 1 to 10. And it is so simple, like, a baby could figure this stuff out. No rocket science in this stuff. So we went to the scrapyard and got some old metal that we're gonna just practice welding on. Let's start welding. Let's get into it. So we never actually ended up welding that day because we ran out of wires. We're gonna use this as a welding table instead of buying one. We got this from the scrapyard, and we spray painted. Of course, we got to put Half Feral on it. It looks really good, and we're gonna see how it does. Now let's actually do some welding. When you weld and you want to get a good weld, you have to clean off the surface, and right here we have a really rusty thing that we're going to weld it to, and we're just going to take the angle grinder and grind that down like we did right there, and that kind of cleans off the surface. When I just got the welder, we got some old scraps that we had. Some of this was threaded rod, and this is one of my first welds. It was pretty crappy, and it was just a ton of little spots on, and it barely even held. And then over here is actually the one that I just did. It's pretty good, but you know, the best one is right here. I'm stacking dimes, stacking those dimes. You know, it's pretty strong. There. Thanks so much for watching a semi-amateur professional do a little bit of welding. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to stick around for some neat projects, not only with welding, but we're actually starting a really neat project that will hopefully be coming out soon. Just make sure to subscribe and see you in the next build video.